My association with Pride is from last 20 years and I know them very personally. They are being very positive always. I personally feel they take care of their clients. That's why if you see the Pride families, the people those who are living over there, very happily living over there.
I have a very special connect with Pride Purple Group because my first investment was in their project Park Street in 2005, and I'm very fortunate to get associated with them since the early days of my entering into real estate profession. And today I cherish those memories because the initial stages, if you don't get the right connect, right people, right support, it's very difficult to survive in a business.
Transparency, ethical business values, professionalism and system oriented. And this is what I can clearly link the Pride Purple Group.
फर्स्ट टाइम एक्चुअली जब मैं विजिट कराने के लिए क्लाइंट आया यहाँ पे, तो फर्स्ट विजिट थी और फर्स्ट क्लाइंट क्लोज हुआ। मुझे एक्चुअली अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे जो ट्रांसपेरेंसी, कि कोई भी क्लाइंट अगर मेरा आ रहा है तो हम उसको सेफ समझते हैं कि जैसे क्लाइंट आएगा मेरे न रहने पे भी तो मेरा क्लाइंट है।
Pride Group, as we all know, that doesn't require any new introduction. They have been very good, they've been humble and they've grown very well over a period of years because of the consistency in delivering the products on time and quality of the products what they've been delivering.
The process is so easy. Okay, once you hand over the clients to them, so we are absolutely free about it. Okay, the client will be happy, so we don't have to worry about anything.
Shravan Agarwal, since those days, he's an inspiration to us. Very few consultants have reached this height. I always tell Arvind Jain that you have positive vibes. If I meet you quite often, something good happens in my life, in my real estate business also.
All I have to tell to my customers, my clients, that this is a Pride Purple project. Why don't we have a look at it? They don't talk much about the quality aspects. So I think this itself is a proof that Pride Purple is a reliable brand.
किसी भी टाइम कोई भी अगर क्लाइंट कहता है कि आपके पास लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट क्लियर है या नहीं है, तो वन शॉट में ये पूरा बंच दे देते हैं कि हाँ आप ये सीटी पकड़ो, इसमें सब कुछ है।
For Pride, I have seen that money is not the priority. Yes, every builder works for monetary terms, but for Pride, they have seen like we form a relationship, and that relationship should go for a long period. So for every channel partner, his name, his number is with the directors.
My own brother-in-law is a resident of Park Street. I recommended him Sapphire when I was working as a professional in the industry. Being my wife's brother, you know, it's so risky if I give him the wrong recommendation. Fortunately, everything worked out well.
So for us, it is very easy to market the projects. We don't have to convince about the brand because they have all delivered. It's like you see it and you believe it.
कुछ बिल्डर्स होते हैं जहाँ पे अगर हम जाते हैं डील क्लाइंट का विजिट कराने, तो ये फील होता है जैसे ये अलग है, बट प्राइड पर्पल में ऐसा फील नहीं होता है। अगर हम आते हैं क्लाइंट के साथ में तो एक फैमिली की तरीके लगता है कि वी आर द पार्ट ऑफ द प्राइड पर्पल।
I've not met the management, but the systems are so nicely placed that I don't need to meet the management. I can just call up and talk and that's it. Down the line, the people help me and the work is done.
Their brokerages have been paid on time, the bills are cleared within 25 to 40 days.
Pride Property, I don't have a second thought. I always like them. The idea is always there. The property which I like, I'll buy first and then I sell. So I'm happy, so my clients are happy.
My first preference of any deal which comes to me is to see that it goes to Pride Purple Group. Because for me, it's a family.
मतलब हमारी मेहनत बेकार नहीं जाती। अगर हम क्लाइंट को बताते हैं और वो क्लाइंट एक बार विजिट करता है, तो 99% तो वहीं पे होता है कि वो क्लोज हो जाएगा।
Pride Purple itself helped us with this impact. That's why I could succeed.
I personally feel Pride Purple is the best. You should buy property with them.
It's a matter of pride for me to deal with Pride Purple Group.
प्राइड पर्पल इसलिए रेकमेंड करते हैं हम क्लाइंट को।
Friendly, approachable,
Customer satisfaction,
System-oriented people,
Consistency,
personalized,
कमिटेड,
trust and the faith.
transparency,
timely delivery.
वेरी सपोर्टिव।
Really happy to be associated with Pride Group.
and we look into a long and strong association to last forever.